It is October 8th, 2025, and I wanted to start by looking at this monthly chart. So we're looking very strong, but we are approaching what could be a level of resistance. You can see that right there. Yeah, we're right there. So, I'm expecting a little more rally, but it just makes sense to pull back. Um, Here's the weekly chart. So still a ways away from the level of resistance on the weekly chart. And here's the daily chart. We broke out of what I was expecting to be a range. And that's what happens in a bull market. So we'll just have to wait and see. I do want to note that I'm just noticing this now is the gap. So look at this body over here. We get a close at uh, close 67.52. We don't have any closes overlapping that over here. So this is the lowest close, and it's 9 points higher. So, this is a strong bull market. I'm not saying this couldn't close tomorrow, but this is a strong bull market. So let's take a look at the 2700 tick chart. So yesterday we were in this uh, like uh, trending trading range. We get a break just about right after the market opens this morning, and then it uh, forms like a little trap, little bear trap. People go short here, and it bounces off the EMA, and that created a sort of spike in channel. So you could buy the breakout. I mean, it's a bull market, so I don't think there's any reason to be timid when going long. So, if you think, hey, this could be the low of the day, we're breaking out, and at least go for a measured move, maybe like here, and that's where the spike ended, and then we channeled up. So, very reasonable, very reasonable to go long there. And then you get a pullback to the EMA. You can buy with the limit order here near the EMA. I don't see why not. We had a strong move up. It's not like it's a 50% correction, but that's pretty close, I would say. If you measure from here, oh, whoops. What am I looking for? If you measure it from here, that is okay. That is a 50% pullback. So yeah, I think that's very reasonable to buy. Then we make a new high and we pull back again, and I think this is also a reasonable buy right here. And we run into resistance up here. This is like a nested wedge top. You can see one push up, two push up, and then you get 1, 2, 3 pushes up. So I think you should probably take profits if you're swinging here, especially when you get that doji. I think that's perfect exit, and you can see a bunch of people exited here. Can you enter long here? You can. It's just not the greatest. I would probably just feel like we're probably getting an end of trend, and we do just go sideways until we get a break, and then it's a move to a new high. So that's how I saw it today. You know, Not a whole lot to talk about lately. It's just a bull market, and this thing just keeps going higher. So I'll be back tomorrow.